GraphX Graph Processing in Apache Spark with Scala. GraphX is the graph computation library of Apache Spark. It allows developers to process and analyze large-scale graphs efficiently. GraphX combines the benefits of the Spark ecosystem with specialized graph algorithms. Key features of GraphX: Unified Data Representation: GraphX extends the Spark RDD API. It adds graph-specific abstractions like graph and edge. This makes it easy to combine graph processing with other Spark operations. Built-in graph algorithms: GraphX includes popular algorithms such as PageRank, connected components, and triangle counting. These algorithms are optimized for distributed environments. Best practices for using GraphX: optimize storage. Use efficient data formats such as Parquet or ORC for storing graph data. Partitioning: partition large graphs to improve parallelism and reduce shuffle operations. Memory management: use Spark's caching mechanisms, persist or cache, to manage memory effectively. Leverage Scala's functional programming. Scala's concise syntax and functional programming make graph transformations more expressive and simpler. Conclusion: in conclusion, GraphX is a powerful tool for distributed graph processing. It is integrated with the Apache Spark ecosystem and uses Scala's flexibility.